Hi, I'm Tones.
Mood.
and Joe from Infectious Tonez.
Hrag and Mish couldn't make it because they are 3,000 kilometers away, but we are here to deliver this message.
Infectious Tonez was finally complete in January 2019, and a few months later in May, we created our first song entitled Revolution Train. On the second day of the revolution, we started to record it. And despite all the obstacles we faced, we were finally able to release it with a lyric video made by very special friends of ours.
Starting now, we will be releasing sneak peek videos, so stay tuned.
Later today, we will leave you with the bass line that started it all, live from Yerevan, Armenia, Hrag.